In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube slow loading and lagging in Google Chrome. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open up your web browser. And from here, I'm going to show you that's why YouTube is slowing down. This is because of the YouTube ad block or the YouTube ad block tactic. So as you can see, there is some YouTube ad block tactic. That's why YouTube is becoming unwatchable because YouTube is slowing down their PCs. So of course, to fix this problem, you just want to go to your extensions. So just right here, click on Manage Extensions and make sure that any ad blocker extension is removed from your Google Chrome. For example, I have this ad blocker. So what you want to do is simply click on remove right here, and that should fix the slow and lagging for your YouTube. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.